Choosing your applied EdD research site, the 3 Cs. For ED students focusing on applied research in leadership and innovation, it is recommended to use your current work site, your own organization, but it must meet these essential criteria. The first is context and concern, or the need test. This ensures your research problem is a real-world issue in the setting you choose. Is the problem of practice alive? The site must be the primary location where your organizational leadership challenge or innovation gap is most evident and currently impacting performance. Local relevance. Your EdD project is about creating local change. Ensure the organization and its stakeholders will directly benefit from the findings and the solution you propose. Data richness. The site must generate the specific qualitative, such as deep experiences of leaders, and/or quantitative data, such as performance metrics. This is needed to rigorously investigate your question. Secondly, cooperation and clearance, or the access test. This confirms you can actually conduct the study ethically and practically. With formal site permissions, you must secure a formal letter of cooperation from the highest relevant leader, such as the superintendent, CEO, or VP, stating the organization agrees to support your research. This is required before your institutional review board will give final approval. Participant availability is the specific people you need to interview, survey, or observe. This is your target population. They must be accessible and willing to participate within your timeline. Your participants must not be listed as a vulnerable population per IRB ethical guidelines. Finally, data gateways. You must have a reliable, agreed-upon path to access organizational documents, policies, or performance data required for your analysis. Thirdly, the capacity and completion, or the feasibility test. This ensures the project is manageable within your doctoral timeframe. Manageable scope. The site must be contained enough for you to study effectively. Avoid sites or problems so large that the scope cannot be completed within 4 weeks of data collection and analysis. Avoid turbulence. Choose a site that is not currently undergoing a major unrelated change, like a massive restructuring or layoff, that could compromise the stability of your study and the willingness of leaders to participate. Leverage insider knowledge. Your deep understanding of your own site is a valuable asset, but you must be prepared to mitigate the risk of insider bias by remaining objective and relying solely on the data you collect. If your current workplace meets all 3 Cs, it's likely your strongest applied ED research site. If not, adjust your site or scope and consult with your RPC.